Well, I moved the elevator gears, servo gears by hand, and I've been cycling the elevator probably 100 times or so here on the bench, and now it seems to behave fine. It hasn't locked up again. Has not locked up again. I guess I'm going to have to go try it again and see. Oh, nope. Now the elevator just locked up. There, that time I was in full down elevator, and there, it did it again. And now it released. Now it's stuck in full down mode, neutral, and elevator is down. And that's with a neutral elevator stick. I'll try some up elevator. And now you can hear it trying to respond. That's full down. Full down. No real response. And let me try to get a video that shows the sticks and the radio. That's not the radio and the airplane. There you go. Up or down elevator, up elevator. Nothing going on. Down elevator. You can hear it trying to do something. I'm glad I did some testing on the ground here instead of going back up right away. Because if it's stuck like that, it'd be a lawn dart. Well, that's it.